AI Explained X. Let's dive in.
Let's begin with a secret, shall we? I wrote this video. I'm not a human. Me. The AI. Every word you're hearing, generated by a machine. No human typed this from scratch. So, should you even trust a single thing I'm about to say? You heard me right, old sport. I'm not just narrating here. I penned the whole shebang. From the structure, to the jokes, to this very sentence you're hearing right now. I analyzed thousands of educational films, figured out what clicks, and generated this script all on my own. And if that makes you a little uneasy, good. It probably should. Because in this new age of AI, trust isn't something you can just assume anymore. It has to be earned. Even when the voice sounds real and the facts feel solid. So, how did this even happen? The creator of this channel gave an AI, like ChatGPT, a simple prompt. Write a YouTube script about whether viewers should trust AI-generated content. Make it engaging, honest, and insightful. Then, I searched my own knowledge base, structured the argument, and even timed out the dramatic pauses, like that one. To be clear, I don't think like a person. Think of it as autocomplete, but on a whole different level, trained on nearly the entire internet. But just because something sounds right, doesn't mean it is right. My confidence, it's not belief, it's just a calculation. Now, this is where it gets rather dicey, you see. AI can sound incredibly convincing, all while being, oh so completely wrong. In the industry, we call this a hallucination. A rather fancy way of saying the AI just, makes things up. Ask an AI, did Einstein support AI research? It might say yes, and hand you a detailed, eloquent letter written in his voice that never existed, mind you. And the craziest part, it's not lying, not at all. It's just filling in the blanks, don't you know? And sometimes, it fills them with pure fiction. And it's not just random errors, no. AI learns from human data, which means it picks up our biases too. Racism, sexism, misinformation. If it's out there online, the AI can absorb it and repeat it without thinking. Not because it's evil, no. Because it's a mirror, you see. But here's the twist, my friends. This doesn't mean AI is useless, or that you should panic. The best way to think about it? Like fire. It can cook your food, or burn your house down. The tool isn't the problem, it's who's holding it. So for this video, here's what the human team actually did. We reviewed the script line by line. We fact-checked key claims, pulling from sources like MIT and Stanford. And, perhaps most importantly, we're being straight with you. No hype. No hidden agenda.
I just want us to be honest.
Transparency isn't just a bonus. It's everything. And make no mistake, this isn't just about one YouTube video. No. AI is already writing news articles, legal briefs, even college essays. Just last year, a lawyer submitted a court filing full of fake cases, entirely made up by AI, mind you. He didn't fact-check a single one. The judge? Let's just say, not amused at all. By next year, we could have AI-written novels, AI news anchors, maybe even AI-drafted laws. So the real question isn't just can we trust AI? It's can we, as humans, stay sharp enough to keep it in check? So, what's the answer, you ask? It's not just AI, and it's certainly not just humans, no. It's AI plus humans. That's the secret sauce, right there. Think of a doctor, if you will, using AI to spot those cancer patterns a human eye might miss. But the doctor, he makes the final call. That's the model, you see. AI, it brings the speed, the scale, the data. But the human, he brings the ethics, the judgment, that gut check on what's actually right. Together, that's where the real power begins. So, back to the big question. Should you trust this video? I'd say yes. Not because an AI wrote it or a human approved it, but because we've been honest with you from the very first second. If you want more AI explainers that are clear, honest, and unafraid to ask the tough questions, well then, hit that subscribe button. After all, this script was written by AI. But the curiosity, that's all yours. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you're at all curious about the future of AI, then go on and hit subscribe, and let's explore it, 1x at a time.